Instagram notes color change. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is a new feature in Instagram. So you have to wait if it does not show up in your ID yet. Make sure you have the latest version of Instagram. To do so, just go to Play Store, search for Instagram and uh, get the latest version if there is an update button. After that, launch your Instagram and then you just have to write the color and something, whatever it is, then share it and see if it turns pink or the color you wrote. In my case, it did not turn because this is not available in my account yet. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.